a complete disaster right now.
Yeah.
You have GPS?
Yeah. You didn't find it? I lost the tripod also.
No, it was just in the bag.
Hey, I'm Kimberly.
Hey, I'm Jordy.
And we hope you're having a great day.
It's a beautiful day here in Indonesia, and today we're gonna surf, which we pretty much do every day anyway, so that's pretty much what you're gonna see.
So this is the bay that we live at, and we normally just surf right out here. There's a few different waves to choose from. We usually like to surf that wave there, but as you can see, it's really small today. So we are gonna have to go to a different spot called Maui in a different bay that we're gonna have to drive the scooter to. But here's a view from our house. And right now we are just making some breakfast and getting ready for the day. So Jordy's making some eggs and we had some coffee. I actually started filming this vlog a week ago and I did a little introduction there and I ended up not finishing that vlog, so I am just going to play that for you now so you know what these vlogs are about and what we are doing. So me and Jordy actually met at the surf camp that he works at, and my company was so nice and they let me like fly back and live in Lombok, which is really crazy, and work from there. So basically for the last 2 years we have been living at a surf camp in this tiny village with really good surf, and we're also planning to travel around Indonesia, travel to California, travel to South Africa. Basically we're planning to do a lot of travel that's very unique and kind of like suits what we're interested in, so much more rural places with really good uncrowded surf, and yeah, I hope that you'll enjoy this vlog and that you'll stick around.
Alright, and we're ready to ride out.
We're having a complete disaster right now. We didn't close the backpack fully on the bike because of the tripod, like it wouldn't all fit. And halfway on our drive, like at some point, basically we got really close to Maui and I took a look at the backpack and it was like completely open like this. And right now we lost one of the tripods and the drone, which like I just got, so I'm so upset. And Jordy basically just left me here sitting on the side of the road with all the stuff, and he has driven back like up this road to here's the road. He has driven back up this road to try and see if we can find the drone and the tripod, but like I'm so upset. It was brand new and we had just started getting all of this amazing footage and we planned this amazing day of like how we were going to film with the drone and everything we were going to do. So this is like just so upsetting. And I really hope that he gets back soon and like that we find it. And I think I actually need to call him because he doesn't know that the tripod's missing also. So I'm gonna quickly like give him a call and hope we find that. And I hope too that if it fell out, like it didn't break, because like we could find it and it could be like broken from falling, like if we were going really fast. But yeah, it's just like a total disaster right now and I'm really bummed. Yeah.
You have GPS?
Yeah. You didn't find it? I lost the tripod also.
No, it was just in the bag.
No, the little one. The little tripod's not there. The phone one.
Oh, shit. Okay, well, does the drone have GPS?
Yeah, I was just thinking that. I was thinking maybe we can like search for it that way.
Let's go, yeah.
We've been driving around for like maybe the last, I don't know, half an hour.
Yeah, maybe hour.
Driving up and down all the roads here, and like
looking on the side for it and walking and just trying to find it, and we still can't find it anywhere. So I don't know, we're gonna keep driving and we're not gonna go surfing yet. Like, I don't know if maybe we'll go surfing after anyway, like when we go back. What do you think? No. We're probably not gonna surf, so we're just gonna, I don't know, we're looking between where we like think we might have lost it or we stopped for gas, and between where we went, and we're gonna maybe even go further back all the way home and keep looking for it there, but it's like a total bummer. And yeah, we're just so disappointed. We've kind of given up on the day, so we're just getting some local food.
I'm so excited, actually. It's like the best food ever. Yeah.
2. You don't want vegetables?
You don't want vegetables?
Let's see. Oh, it looks so good.
Amazing.
So we eat with our hands, this food. So we actually just wash our hands here. Looks a little Indo style, but there's soap, so that's great. This is Brutus.
Brutus is always inquisitive and doesn't like to look at the camera.
Look at his face.
But he's really purring right now.
And he makes us happy when we're upset. So we're a little bit bummed because we did not find the drone.
Yeah, it sucks.
Or the tripod.
It sucks.
And we also lost my debit card, it turns out.
I like how you say we.
I lost my debit card.
We're in it together.
So you might be thinking I'm like the most irresponsible person ever, but it's not true. Like, I literally never lose anything at all. Like, the last time I lost something was in 7th grade, and I lost a sweatshirt, and I got in trouble for it. So I haven't lost anything since that. And then today I just lost everything. So yeah, we were pretty upset. I'm pretty upset.
Yeah, it happens, you know? Like, you can't hold on to it, and you just kind of gotta let it go.
Yeah.
Yeah, something you can do about it.
Yeah.
We'll try and, like, put out some feelers, and and check on Facebook Marketplace to see if somebody's trying to sell it, or ask around to see if somebody has it, but that's all you can do. And I guess we're thinking of maybe getting a new one, but we'll see what happens.
And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna end today's vlog there, and hopefully we will. I don't know what I'm saying.
Well, I mean, instead of seeing us surfing today, because that was what we were actually supposed to show you, like to surf Maui, we'll just cut to some clips of us surfing in the bay on an average day without drone footage.
It's from last week.
Yeah.
When the waves were pretty small, but it was still a really fun day, and we got some filming. So watch that and enjoy, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
These my dollars make it hurt.